Introducing JJRC X26 Beginner's Drone, kindly see the product introductory video. Portable packaging, smaller and lighter, folding design. One key takeoff, HD dual camera, GPS/optical flow or dual positioning, HD real-time video transmission, HD images record your life, stable flight, intelligent following. Adjustable camera, more angles, easy recording, brushless motor, track flight. For direction obstacle avoidance, only works if GPS is off. Take photos by gesture. Take videos by gesture. One key landing. This is the real aerial video and still photos. The quality doesn't live up to the advertised standards, looks like 480 resolution only and there was no image stabilization, and the gimbal failed to provide stable footage. Thank you for watching.